Aretia maya ari cukuru-ini wa St Mary's thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Siaya nĩ thutha wa igongona rĩa kũhingũra labu ya kiriu. No ũguo nĩ augĩte atĩ ĩno nĩ ĩmwe ya mĩtaratara ya thirikari ya gũtigĩrĩra atĩ mbeũ njithi nĩmakorwo magĩthondeka mĩeke ya mawĩra kũgerera nenda cia kĩrĩu.
In the bottom-up economic plan, our policy framework for government, ICT is at the center of it. We are going to launch these digital laboratories in educational institutions. We are also going to connect internet all over the country so that we have reliable, affordable, and stable internet. ICT is the single critical success factor for this country moving forward. The world is today one global digital economy, and Kenya cannot be left behind. The jobs they have today, most of them are resident in the digital space. They'll pay very, very well. They are already extremely well. I want to promise that some of the challenges that we have been talked about, we will liaise with your work together with your member of parliament, but we will also liaise with other levels of government, starting with the Ministry of Education and the top echelons of government, to see that in the too distant future you have that what you are calling a high-level what? A two-level laboratory. In the next 1 month or so, I'll come back here and also give a set of uniforms to the basketball team. Yeah? Today we were here to launch the digital laboratory here. And the purpose of this digital laboratory is to empower you by way of digital skills. ICT skills is imperative today in life. In everything that you are going to do, you require ICT skills.
Nacio thirikari cia kaunti ya